Doing a little boat fishing today at a private pond. It has been forever since I've last fished here. Last time I did it was about a year ago, and I caught 3 bass by the end of the day. Something really cool about this spot is that it is a quarry pond. I don't know how well you can see, but just look behind me. That's over 100 foot of solid rock. I'm doing a lot of boat fishing, it seems like. I don't even know if I should even call myself a bank angler. Ugh. Okay, this is shaky. Don't drop the camera, Ryan. Okay, push off. All right, here we go. Whew. Balance is key, guys. We are successfully in the water. Man, it is clear today. Good news for us, because we are targeting some crappie. I'm gonna make my way to that side and transfer you guys onto the GoPro. Hello guys, what is up? Got a little paddle right here. Let's just make our way. Great thing there's no wind today, or else I would be in trouble. The great thing about this pond is that there's fallen timber like everywhere. I mean, like every single corner. There, like you guys get the point. Whew. Oh, whoa. Was that a fish just now? Right there? Maybe. Could be seeing things, but these fish could be near the surface. All right, we're gonna fish where I think the sunlight will hit it the most, which is probably against the rock wall right here. All right, this is the rig for today. Gonna start off with a drop shot using pretty light braid, 15 pound, and then got a 8 pound fluoro leader. The plastic we're gonna be throwing on this is a Berkeley Gulp. This stuff just has proved over and over again that it can catch fish this time of year. We're gonna pop one on, rig it through the top of the head, make it look a little pretty. Good presentation, fish will eat it. All right, let's get shaking. What's shaking bacon? Oh, that's either a hit or, oh yeah, that's a hit. We're getting hit, boys. Oh, I should have grabbed the other paddle. This does not work as well. Literally has no curve on the paddle itself. Ooh. Timber. Yes, please. Nope, ducks. Go away. Not for you. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. It could be tiny catfish too. I would think that the hookup ratio would be a little better. Nope. All right, I can't drop shot right now. I just can't. After missing that many fish, now my confidence with it is low. Tying on a little hair jig. White is always a great color for cloudy days. Oh yeah, there's some crappie right behind me. How much I wish I had a trolling motor. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's so cool. Oh, look, they're coming. They're gonna eat it. Watch, I'm gonna get bit right here. No. I do not want you right now. There's something crazy going on, and I bet it is some crappie. 100%. Oh, guys, that's, hold on, what? Okay, look, guys, I see a school of about 1,000 shad right now, and I'm running through them. I'm gonna snag one right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just snagged one. But here, if I had a cast net, that'd be so cool. Watch, okay, I'll snag one of these guys for you. Just to show you what I'm seeing here. This is chaos, bro. Wait, do they eat this? They do. Oh no, I snagged one. Oh, they bite so hard. No way. Oh, dude, this is so crazy. All right. Oh, look at that. Dude, that's a beautiful shad right there. He's got all the colors. Okay. You are so weird. Why did I catch you? Out of every fish. Goodbye. By the time I exit this pond, I'm gonna have gained 5 pounds of solid muscle. I am just putting in the work for paddling today. Rigging up a drop shot again. I mean, I've gotten the most bites on this thing. Just couldn't capitalize earlier, but you know, maybe by now I would have gotten a little bit better at fishing. Ooh, little creature. Yes, finally, our first fish on the drop shot. What is it? Okay, that's a big old bluegill. Well, mystery solved. I know what is pecking at it, and as soon as I downsized my drop shot, went ahead and landed us a beautiful sunfish. I'm actually not eating these fish, but the guy who lets me fish here wants some, so just doing my duty and providing. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's another gill. Okay. Oh, it's much nicer fish. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful right there. That is a beautiful fish. Gorgeous. Someone please comment what kind of fish this is. I'm gonna guess it's a red ear? I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Nice. Well, ended up catching some decent sized panfish, but nothing too special. You guys probably didn't see most of the fish I caught because I don't think you would want to watch me catching some 5-inch fish. But right here we have a package, and it's not just any package, it's a reel. If you know me, I like my Shimanos, I like my Lus. Abu's okay for me, but I've never tried Daiwa. This is the very first reel from Daiwa I've purchased. And it is the Coastal TWS size 200. Let's go ahead and pop into it. Let me show you how it looks like. Of course, you got it in the bag and manual if you like to modify your reels, but that's not for me. Here it is, guys. Okay. Super long handles. I believe it is 100 millimeter long. And then we got some pretty big EVA foam handles right there. Look at how deep that spool looks. It's just massive. You might be wondering, Ryan, why would you buy this? Well, to be honest, I am looking to get into swim baiting a little bit this year. And one of the reels I saw some pretty good reviews on was this Daiwa Coastal. It's got literally everything you want in a swim baiting reel. It's got 15-pound drag, which is plenty for what I'm gonna be throwing. And also the gears inside this are saltwater sealed. I guess that just means it would be a stronger reel for freshwater applications, and I just don't have to worry about it, you know, kind of dying on me. But that is about it for today's video. I am absolutely loving this blue color scheme on this reel. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. Go out and get on this early spring bite. And as always, folks, fish for the adventure.